no secret that women comprise the vast majority of our party workers at every level. You carry the bulk of the work as group leaders, PD captains, canvassers, and election day workers. Respect due every time. On behalf of the leadership of the party, I thank the women of the People's National Party for your unwavering support. Thank you for your hard work, your dedication to the cause, and your proven loyalty through thick and thin. Your 43rd annual conference takes place at the end of a political year that has been less successful than we hoped for our party. Disappointment is not new to the women of our party, who have been in the trenches and the struggles for years.